Ito yung result ng first round ng 2023 PBA Draft with the first pick of the Terra Firma Jeep, the 31-year-old Stephen Holt. Iba lang sa mock draft ko kasi if you're going to rebuild, you need a young guy. Pero mukhang naka-win now yung Terra Firma Jeep kasi if you want instant impact, Stephen Holt talaga. Complete package that will average 20 plus points per game. Second overall pick ng Blackwater Bossing ay si Christian David, 25 years old, 6'6" guard. Pero with Coach Jeff Carriazo, siguro naman hindi siya gagawing sentro dito sa Bossing. Sagad na yung small forward position kung saan sobrang sakto na for him. Sana naman alagaan ng Blackwater kasi future ito ng liga. Baka kasi kapag baagang pinitas, maudlot yung development. With the third pick of Rain or Shine Elasto Painters, Luis Villegas. Whew! Ito yung expected natin. 26 years old, 6'7". Wala tayong pake kung gawin siyang sentro or big dito sa Rain or Shine kasi alam naman natin yung gagawin. Ito yung mga player na gustong-gusto ni coaching and we are very excited. With the fourth pick of Rain or Shine, Kit Datu, 27 years old, 6'8". Grabe, nice pick. What a time para maging fan ng Rain or Shine ngayon. Still in good hands yung franchise. Sana makapalag na sila ulit with this amount of resources, building through draft, and we look forward to the season with this team. Solid. Fifth pick of Northport is Save Lucero. Grabe, what an early steal. Pero sobrang taas pa rin ito kung titingnan natin yung pool ng draft class. Tsaka ito yung saktong team for him to flourish his skill, maging franchise centerpiece together with Arvin Tolentino, William Navarro. Versatile naman kasi silang tatlo kaya pwedeng mix of combination sa lineup. Sixth pick of Phoenix Fuel Masters, Ken Taffen. Nakakainis na unahan. Bias pa naman ako sa Converge ngayon. Grabe kasi yung ginawa ng franchise na Fuel Masters sa kanilang team lately. Solid roster tapos mabubuwag. But congrats to them. They have the shooter, having a splash brother with Tio and Taffen. Ano kaya yung nickname na maganda sa kanilang dalawa no? With the 7th pick of NLEX, Richie Rogers. 26 years old, 6'2" from UE na naglaro din sa New Zealand. Surprise pick for us pero he is really solid. Gusto ni Franklin mga defender. We never heard a lot from him nung pandemic lang but surely he will be a revelation in the PBA. 8th pick, Meralco Bolt select Brandon Bates, 27 years old, 6'8", a Reynel Hugnatan replacement. Safe pick and much needed player for them. Magbibigay ng additional size and ceiling tsaka nahinog ito sa 3x3 kung sa UAP hindi siya masyadong nagagamit but he will be ready for PBA season. 9th pick, Converge selects Deshaun Winston. Okay, masaya na ako. 25 years old, 6'4". Grabe yung slide niya sa draft. First pick ko sa mock draft, naging 9th pick. Tapos sa Converge pa. Plug and play naman siya, so no question about his fit. Tsaka nasa timeline pa yung Converge na sino-sino nga ba talaga sila. 10th pick, Converge again, BJ Andrade, the 6'1" shooter from Ateneo. Kahit siya nagulat kasi nga injured siya and loaded na yung Converge. Pero he is a legit player. Pwede nga itong maging overseas Underrated lang din talaga kasi iba yung nasa spotlight yung mga ibang Ateneo boys. 11th pick of Northport. Let's go Chiefs! Cade Flores. 26 years old, 6'5". Surprise for some of us. Pero he made a name for himself sa NCAA Rookie and Defensive Player of the Year. And the 12th pick, the Phil-Am, selected by Terra Firma Jeep, Taylor James Miller. 23 years old, 6'2" guard from a Division 2 school. And that's all for this video. Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Segun Hoops. See you in the next upload. Bye-bye. Dito sa 1xBet, meron silang one-on-one battle gamit ang 2K. CPU lang ang nagko-control. Race to 11, kaya mabilis ang antayan. Naka-live din yung laro para kabahan ka. So isipin mo lagi yung 2K logic na tinatawag kung kanino ka pupusta. Link in the description. Make sure na gamit mo ang ating code. And as always, gamble responsibly.